Okay, for anybody that has seen very many of my videos, I like using cream cheese quite a bit. We're gonna try to make a chocolate cheesecake no-bake pie. It's gonna be easy, quick, delicious. There's the ingredients I'm using. To get started, we're going to be using 2 blocks of cream cheese. Right here is where I should have realized things wasn't going my way. I couldn't even get the cream cheese out of the package. We're also going to be adding in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Eagle brand, I love it. It don't matter what brand you use. 14 ounces. Now we're going to be adding a 5.9 ounce box of chocolate pudding mix. I'm using instant. We're not making pudding. We're just going to use the powder. And start mixing. You can use a spoon or a mixer. I'm going to try with a spoon first. That spoon stopped working very quickly. At this point, I knew I'd messed up. Look at it. My batter is trying to eat my mixer. And why did I think round 2 was gonna go any better? So I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of True Moo chocolate milk. Now I will tell you, as I'm adding this is a recipe. I'm just making it as I'm going. By now, I was in recovery mode, and I ended up missing out on some footage. So I ended up adding 3/4 cup of the only thing I could find to thin this down: chocolate milk. But as you can see, everything turned out good, and we ended up with a delicious, very rich chocolate cheesecake.